Before you buy a new keyboard, let me show you Windows 11's hidden screenshot superpower that's even better than print screen. Let me show you exactly how it works. All you need to remember is 3 keys: Shift, Windows, and S. Your screen will fade to a grey overlay. That means the snipping tool is ready. Now you'll see 4 options at the top: rectangular snip, freeform snip, window snip, and full screen snip. Let's use rectangular snip, the most common option. Simply click and drag to select any area you want to capture. You'll see a notification appear in the bottom right corner. Click that notification to open the Snipping Tool editor. From here, you can crop your image, add annotations, and highlight important parts. When you're ready, click the Save icon in the top right, choose your location, name your file, and hit Save. Done! Your screenshot is saved exactly where you want it. No print screen key needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.